So good afternoon everybody, good afternoon. It's I'm up here at the Cornkiss, Milton Hoch, getting some scones. Now been up all day cleaning up my garage today. It's been the most boring job. However, the people at the skip are total skip Nazis. You can't take anything up to the skip anymore. We're not allowed to put any rubbish in, or it's got to be organised into kind of cardboards and metals. General rubbish is not allowed. It is not a skip anymore. It is a recycling area. Honest to God, given up, folks. Given up. Anyway, here's some chickens. Hey, chicks. This is where you get your eggs from, folks. They sell the eggs here fresh in the Milton Hoch Cornkiss. I actually went in there today to get some steak burgers, but they've sold out. I'm going to get inside the car because of this wind. Hang on. Yeah, so the steak burgers were all sold out, folks. So they actually forced me into buying some Malteser and Mars bar scones. Put the hand behind my back and said, "Bro, you must buy these scones." I've actually been messaging them for the last couple of weeks. They're saying it's coming up to get some scones, but these are the only ones I've got left today, so I'll try them out and I'll put the review on maybe later. There's the dog I was looking for. There he is. This is the Cornkiss dog. Let's go and speak to him. Hi pal, hello. Yeah, where's your stick? Where's your stick gone? Where's your stick? So there's a lot of water on the falls today. This is Arbroath Falls. There's also a lot of mud on the path. I really must get my wellies out. I should have learned my lesson last week. We'll go along and get a better view just along here from the viewpoint. I managed to come down the wee muddy bank there, folks. Went back and put my boots on. There we go, there's the Arbirlot Falls. Now normally you can actually walk across the rocks there when the water's really low, but obviously today it's a bit high. Let's see if we can get up here. Ooh. Right, now it's the hard bit, getting back down. Right, you can actually see the spray coming off the falls from here, folks. Actually get a wee bit wet. Awesome though, really good. Right, there we go folks, this is the Arbirlot Falls, look at them. Look at the spray coming off the water. Like a mini Niagara. So welcome to St Vigeans everybody. A lot of legend about this place, a lot of kind of stories and myths. Built on a hill. Underneath this hill allegedly is a big cavern where a kelpie used to stay, and the kelpie used to carry the stones that built this church, and the people used to be scared that the kelpie would come out of the hill again and kill them all. So when this church was first built, the people were scared to come to the service because they thought the kelpie was going to come out the hill. And they all sat on that hill over there and listened to the minister. So the legend says. But this was featured in an episode of Doctor Who. Well, actually a Doctor Who book. I'll put the wee kind of clip up here. The Drostan's Curse or the Dronston's Stone or something. There's a famous stone which is kept in the museum down here, which might have a lot of kind of curses and legends to it as well. And a whole Doctor Who episode was based on this area. There's another hidden stone, which I think I've shown you before, in the wall here. When they were excavating the building, they found a cross slab stone, is what you call it, like a standing stone, but that way. And it's hidden in the wall up here, so I can show you where it is. Here, this is an old, it's like a standing stone but flat. I think they call it a cross slab, I can't remember the official name. And it's in the wall here. And obviously they're scared to take it out in case it kind of collapses or breaks, but it's hidden in here, folks. I wonder what it is. Is it part of the Stone of Destiny hidden in the wall here? And there's another hidden stone called the Blue Stone, which I can't remember where it is. Oh, here it is, here. Get my shadow out of the way. So this one's called the Blue Stone, and I don't know anything about this at all. I did find some history on it a while ago, but I can't find it again. But it is actually called the Blue Stone. Again, it's another stone that's hidden in the wall here at St Vigeans. So there's a lot of mystery and a lot of picture stones were found here. I think there's 30 picture stones found here, which are now down in the museum. But this Dronston, or the Droston stone, is the most famous, and that's what the Doctor Who book is based on. So that's the museum there, where the stones are in. You can pay to go in, but it's not open today. But all the old picture stones are in there, the ones that were found here. Oh, somebody's shooting at me. So all the stones are just in there, folks. So you just go and visit. It's meant to be really interesting. But yeah, so under this hill there is a kelpie, a seahorse that comes out at night and attacks people, murders people and kills sheep and horses. That's the legend anyway.